my name's Wesley Dotson. I'm here with Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and we have another 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 138 Super Sport car. This is a numbers matching 396, 350 horse car. Really nice, and we're going to take a look at it today. It's a beautiful gold with black interior. Really sweet. Looks good. It's got a black vinyl top on it with the rallies. And the Mastercraft Avenger GTs really looks good. It's sharp. And we're going to take a look at the passenger side of the interior here. All the doors are in great shape. It's just a super original car. Rare option is the seatbelt holder on the side of the console. It's got the clock, Super Sport dash with the tick-tock tack on the left side of the steering column. Take a look at the back seat here. Shut the door. Take a look inside the trunk. All inside the trunk's nice and clean. All looks good. Spare tire and the jack. Shut the trunk. You're gonna hear it start up. Works. Cut it off there. Take a look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood, like I said, it is a 396 350 horse, power steering and power disc brakes on it. Just a really nice, clean car. Hard to find a numbers matching car. You can kind of see it there. Shut the hood. Take one more quick look at it before we take it for a test drive. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. All right. Here we go for the test drive. We're going to take this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS for a test drive. See how it does. They don't make them much nicer than this car right here. It's a numbers matching 67. The blower motor works. The radio works.
All good, Mayor.
All the gauges work. Runs and drives real good. The blinker tack works. Here we go. people moving around here in Kentucky today. As we go back, we're going to get on it just a little bit and see how it does. All right, here we go. Brakes easy, but it is one of the best running, driving cars that we've had in a long time here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars. Just does really good.
Brakes easy, stops nice.
All right.
Find anything you don't like about this car?
We are almost back here, and as soon as we do get back, we are going to put it up on the rack and show you what it looks like underneath. If you could, like and subscribe on our page, helps us out a ton. And if you have any questions about this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we are back, and we are going to show you what it looks like underneath.